In everyday life, cars are an important transportation means in the whole world, and in 2019 alone, almost 92 million motor vehicles were produced worldwide. The majority of population in the world have cars in their access, and some people have more than two cars in their household. The total estimation of cars in the whole world was around 1.32 billion cars, trucks, and buses in 2016, and it didn't include off-road vehicles or heavy machinery. The most obvious change for everyday people was that cars gave them a way to get around quickly, so they spent much spare time with the family instead of everyday traveling in public transport. But some car manufacturers have made this transportation mean so much more than just transportation. It is now a symbol of status, wealth, luxury, and much more. These rolling art pieces encapsulate the priorities of the minor percent of people who see this transportation as a luxurious status symbol. Who doesn't love looking at glossy pictures of super fast and super expensive cars? But when it comes to actually owning one of these cars, it's probably for the majority of us only a fantasy, and the prices are beyond our imagination. However, for the rich people, buying a supercar is like buying a new pair of shoes. You will be amazed to know that some brand cars of high price tags are often sold out before they reach the public, and their prices are set way above the normal cars. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video I have gathered a collection of 10 most expensive cars in the world, which also includes one exclusive car which can only be sold to a client chosen by the company. But I have a question for you, that how much worth is your car, and are you willing to buy any of these cars for the mentioned price? What's your answer? Write it in the comments after the video. Now, take your snack, fasten your seatbelt, and fly with me to see the most expensive cars in the world. Number 10. Pagani Huayra BC. Coming on number 10 is Pagani Huayra BC, which is named as a tribute to Pagani Caiola, a noted Italian investor with probably the best collection of Ferraris and a very close friend of Horacio Pagani. This car was debuted at Geneva Motor Show in 2016 with a weight of 1,218 kgs. This model is a way lighter than the previous one, and this is because of the extensive use of carbon fibers and other lightweight materials. It has a ridiculous 790 brake horsepower and have many other cool features, and that's why Cars owner, who is an American real estate tycoon, named this model as a king. Speaking about the price of this masterpiece, you can get this with only $2.8 million. Yes, you heard it right. Only $2.8 million. But wait, it's just the starting of the price tag. Let's dive into the next one and see how much does it cost. Number 9. Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio. Originally introduced as a concept car in the memory of deceased son of Pininfarina founder, the legendary design house had made only 6 of the pieces yet, so this made the car most coveted. This is one of the coolest Ferraris ever made, and it is based on the Ferrari 458 Spider. Each of the handmade units has an all-carbon fiber frame, and it is an open-air luxury car with 2 seats. Like the Ferrari 458, it has no roof, side windows and windshield, and it is 330 pounds lighter than its ancestor. This car cost about $3 million, and the coolest fact about this car is that you can't decide to buy a car yourself. The owners of each of the 6 models were chosen by the manufacturers themselves, making this one of the rarest of the rare invite-only vehicles. The first car was sent to the United Arab Emirates, followed by 3 going to collectors in the US, 1 to Japan, and the final one to the Switzerland. More recently, the founder Battista Pininfarina has also had a model named after himself, which is an electrical supercar that's been touted as the fastest road legal car in the world, but it's not quite expensive enough to make this list. Number 8. Aston Martin Valkyrie. Coming on number 8 is Aston Martin with a whopping cost of $3.2 million, and this car is a result of a technical partnership between Aston Martin and Red Bull Racing, with the aim of making a road-going supercar that can also perform like no car before it on the racetrack. It comes with a Rimac-built hybrid battery system, coming with the engine which yields about 1,000 horsepower. As of yet, 150 units of this model has been planned by the company. Number 7. Lykan Hypersport. The number 7 on this list is the first Arab supercar built by the W Motors of the Lebanon. With its aggressive angular design, massive right-angle brake lights on the rear, an armored car with the Caesar doors and an interior straight out of the sci-fi movie. This masterpiece cost about $3.4 million. The headlights of the Hypersport are made of 240 15-carat diamonds and the LED blades are made of 420 15-carat diamonds. And all these gems are customizable. So now you can justify the price of this ultra luxurious masterpiece. But wait, there are some other cool features which are attached to this car. This car was featured in the Fast and Furious 7 and has actually been drafted by the Abu Dhabi police for patrol duty. Lastly, this car has a 780 horsepower and can reach speeds up to 250 miles per hour. Number 6. Bugatti Veyron by Mansory Vivere. One of the several customized Bugatti Veyron models, this limited edition by German tuning house Mansory Vivere is the most expensive at nearly $3.4 million. It is upgraded 4 times since its release in 2005. So that makes it not only among the priciest car of the world but also one of the fastest with 1200 horsepower. Additionally, it is driven by the same engine that made the standard Vivere the most powerful production car in the world when it was launched in 2005. Number 5. McLaren P1 LM. Coming at number 5 with a cost of $3.6 million is actually not a production car, but more or less a street-legal version of its donor car, McLaren P1 GTR. This car was converted by the British firm by keeping in mind the selected group of buyers in UK, USA, Japan and UAE. This car weighs about 132 pounds with a production of 1000 horsepower and has the golden plating which surrounds the engine. This car is so unique that until today only 5 units have been built and all are sold. Number 4. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. Lamborghini created the Veneno, a Spanish word translating as poison, to celebrate its 50th birthday. So it was a birthday present of Lamborghini to themselves. This car justifies its name meaning poison because it looks deadly, just like an alien space capsule. This car has 740 horsepower and it can go up to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. Only 9 units have been sold until date, and guess what? These cars have a high unbelievable resale rate, which makes it more unique. One of the car was resale at $11 million and it was the most expensive car ever produced upon its introduction. Now imagine instead of buying this $11 million car, what else you can buy? Maybe it's a luxurious home or mansion, a car, 5-star world trip and many more things. Number 3. CXR Trevita. With a whopping cost of $4.8 million, Trevita is the most expensive street-legal production car in the world. It is coated in real diamonds, which gives it a sparkling silvery white appearance. The carbon fibers are indeed coated with the diamond dust resin. This technology transformed the fibers from a traditional black to shiny and silvery white, making the bodywork of this car renowned throughout for its unique design and perfection. This car has a total output of 1004 horsepower with 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. 3 Trevita models were planned originally, but then dropped to just 2 because of the time needed to manufacture this special carbon fiber. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Coming on number 2 is world-famous Rolls-Royce Sweptail, which was made on anonymous customers' recommendations and was sold at $13 million. Rolls-Royce is famous for its luxurious rolls-out, and this particular exclusive car was made with custom coach work, resembles a yacht from behind, and can seat only 2 people. Something very cool about the interior is that it is handcrafted with wood and leather and has hidden attached cases for holding laptop, and that's it. This model has just a few specifications. So, is it the price of brand name or because it is custom made on request? What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments below. Before heading to number 1, if you are enjoying the video then press the like button and subscribe for more videos. Number 1. Bugatti La Vauxhall Noir. And here comes the number 1 spot, which is filled by the $19 million Bugatti. And this car took its crown as the world's most expensive new car in March 2019. Translated as a black car, the La Voiture Noire was unveiled at 2019's Geneva Motor Show as a tribute to the manufacturer's Type 57 SC Atlantic from the 30s. Powered by an 8-liter 16-cylinder engine that churns out a jaw-dropping 1500 horsepower, the car should be able to reach above 450 km/h, which make its performance just astonishing as the price tag. Bugatti has refused to unveil its other performance specifications, but the front is dominated by the horseshoe-shaped Bugatti grille and bends into a swept-back design with sloping windscreen and wrap-around tail lamps. So, that's it for today's topic of absurd price tag luxurious cars. How much can you spend on a car? Or do you own any expensive car? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. And if you have any video ideas, leave it in the comments below. I'll surely consider it. Bye bye.